completed sewing the 9833 bra, sewing the panty is going to be a breeze. A lot of different parts that come together, but it uses the same techniques as the bra. I'm gonna jump right into it, and the first thing I wanna go over are the pattern pieces that are needed. Number 11, number 12, 13, 15, as well as 17, which is the back piece. Now, I am gonna demo how to sew the thong version, but these steps are the same if you're doing the bikini version as well. Next is, I'm gonna show you, I pre-sewed a couple steps because I think it's easier to show the after than the before. So the first thing that I did was that I serged the cotton jersey, I laid it over on the wrong side of the front and then pinned it in place. Then I sewed fold over elastic along the bottom edge of the, what's this piece called? Upper front, as well as the top or the curved edge of the lower side front. Now, when I sewed the fold over elastic, see how this is way more curved than this? That's okay, we're gonna put it back into shape. Sewing the fold over elastic kind of straightened it out, but we'll make it curve back again once we sew it to the panty. All right, so next step is that you're gonna lay these pattern pieces names get so confusing. The upper side front over the front panty. And it's okay if they touch in the center front and they overlap or they're on top of the front panty. And I'm gonna pin those in place right at the top. Actually, scratch that. And then I'm going to lay this upper front piece on top of that so that it overlaps just the width of the fold over elastic. Then I'm gonna pin. Okay, so I have everything pinned. As far as placement for this lower side front, there are notches on your front piece for where it should start. So I'm gonna go over and to the machine and I'm gonna sew all of these down here and here and here using a zigzag stitch. The front is assembled. The next step is to sew the front to the back at the side seam. You wanna use a straight stitch, 1/4 of an inch seam allowance, back stitch at the beginning and the end at the side seam, as well as the crotch seam. Front is sewn to back. The last step is to sew fold over elastic along the waistline as well as the leg openings, using the same method as the bra. Now, when you come around, you are going to overlap the fold over elastics, and that's how you finish it off. Dun, 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 panties are complete. So I sewed fold over elastic along the waistline as well as the leg openings. A question that comes up a lot is where I like to start and stop fold over elastic. I usually like to start and stop about 1/2 of an inch behind the side seam so that you don't see it from the front. All right, so that is the end of the 9833 sew along. It is definitely an advanced bra making project, but my goal was that by the end of the sew along that you have the confidence, the knowledge to not only tackle this, but master this. You can always email hello@madalynne.com with any questions, but hopefully you don't have any and you are ready to rock the 9833 and any other bra project. Thanks again.